In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write meeting minutes in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and head to the left sidebar. From there, click on Docs. This is where you can create and organize written documents for your team. And it's a great place to keep meeting notes structured and easy to find later. Once you're in Docs, create a new document by clicking New Doc and then selecting Create Doc. This gives you a blank space where you can build your meeting minutes from scratch. Starting with a fresh doc helps keep each meeting separate, which is useful when you need to review decisions or action items later on. Next, name the document clearly. For the title, enter the meeting name and the date. This simple step makes your notes much easier to identify, especially if your team holds recurring meetings. A clear title also helps everyone quickly confirm they're looking at the right set of minutes. After that, add the basic meeting details near the top of the document. Include the meeting date, the time, the attendees, and the meeting objective. This provides essential context for anyone reading the notes later, including team members who may not have attended. Keeping this information at the top also makes the document feel organized and professional. Now it's time to write the agenda. Add each agenda topic as a separate heading in the doc. Using headings makes the minutes easier to scan and helps break the conversation into clear sections. This is especially helpful during longer meetings, where several topics may be covered. Under each agenda heading, record the discussion by writing the important points that came up. Focus on the key ideas, updates, concerns, and outcomes rather than trying to capture every word. Meeting minutes are most effective when they're concise but still detailed enough to reflect what was actually discussed. Once the discussion is documented, add a decisions section. In this section, record every decision made during the meeting. This is one of the most important parts of your minutes, because it creates a clear record of what was agreed on and helps prevent confusion afterward. Then, create an action items section. List each task, the person responsible for it, and the due date. This turns the meeting from a discussion into a plan of action. Be as clear as possible here, so everyone understands what they need to do next and by when. Finally, click share and give the meeting participants access to the doc. Sharing the minutes promptly helps everyone stay aligned and gives the team a reference point for follow-up. Thanks for watching.